Sephora haul. Oh my god. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified every time that I post a video. So let's get into it right away. I am so excited, oh my god, for today's video. I was waiting for this package for a long time. I ordered this actually for my birthday, which is, you know, it's been a while. And I just received it now, and I'm really excited to do this video because I want to show you what I bought at Sephora online, and really excited. We will get into that box and it's gonna be amazing. So be excited for this because we will jump into all the products that I received, samples, products that I bought and everything, and we're gonna talk about prices and everything. And of course, product reviews will be coming for these products that I bought specifically, so be excited for this too. So a lot of content coming, a lot of content you're not even expecting, and it's gonna be amazing. So let's dive in. All right, so the first thing that I want to take out, I wanted something else, but actually they weren't carrying it, maybe because it was in Canada, because of my location, I don't know, maybe there was none left, but it was the birthday gift, so you can choose them online. And of course, I wanted the NARS blush, but there was none anymore. So one thing that I have now is the Milk Makeup Beauty Insider little birthday gift. So this is very cute. It's in a little box. It's like in sample sizes, and I'm excited to try specifically the Milk Makeup products. I already have the mascara, but I really want the other one. So this is the blush. I want to try the blush. And the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. This like sample is going to be really good for on the go. I'm going to be putting this in my makeup collection, so when I travel or do anything, of course I'm going to bring it with me, which I'm not going to travel right now, but I'm just saying when I will be traveling, it will come with me. Saying happy birthday. Oh my god, 22. Getting old. There is the Mini Kush Mascara, the Mini Lip Plus Cheeks, and the Hydro Grip Primer sample. So of course, as you can see, there is all the three products. And the other one, this is the Mini Kush Mascara. I hope this is not the new packaging because I will be really disappointed. I really love the metal packaging, and this one is plastic. Maybe this is because it's for birthday sets and it takes less space. Hopefully this is not the new packaging because this is cheap and disappointing. On to the next products that I got. So this, of course, I got it for free. Another thing that I got for free that I'm really excited to be trying out. I was actually kind of shook because this is expensive on its own, but this, I got it for free. It is the Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Extra Strength Daily Peel, which is a 2-step peel with 7 acids to help smooth lines, minimize the look, It's really to make your skin look better. So this is a 2-step process, which I'm excited to try about. There's going to be a whole review on it, and it's going to be a few days. You know, it's not just, okay, I put it and that's it. It's going to be a whole review on it. It's 3 treatments. I got this for free when I ordered at Sephora with the honey on the side, or even like in a section, Beauty Insider, you can get like, coupons and stuff to get free stuff if you get like an XYZ amount of money when you spend some. So I don't know, but I think this just arrived at Sephora, so this will be very interesting to try. But on to the next things. Of course, the other samples I will be showing you at the end because now we all want to get into the products that I bought. So let's dive into that box. So one thing that I really wanted to try out for a long time is this. So this is the Huda Beauty Nymph Not Your Mama's Pantyhose all over highlighter. So it is for the body, it is for the face, if you want to put it under your foundation, and it is in the shade Luna. It's the lightest shade, and it looks kind of light. I'm excited to try that. It's gonna be so cute. And I love that the packaging is clear because you can really see what's inside. And I can't wait to try these glitters. I'm excited to put this all over my body. The summer's coming. I'm gonna be glistening into this little highlighter. This retails for $62. It is 55 milliliters, so 1.85 fluid ounces. So I do think that it is a good price for what you get. Of course, if you compare it to, for example, like other brands, they have like those little tiny bottles with highlighter in it, and it's like $55, and you don't even have one fluid ounce. So this is a pretty good price for the amount of things that you get in it. So let's go right into the next one. I'm excited. Oh my god. If you want to have swatches, you're gonna have to wait till I do the review, and it's gonna be coming very soon. Next product. Oh my god. So I always had Morphe setting sprays, and one from NYX, which was really the worst thing for your face. But I have 2 setting sprays, so I'm gonna be starting by one and showing you the other one afterwards. But I really wanted to try more setting sprays. I want to know more about setting sprays in general. So the first one that I got is an all-time favorite, Urban Decay All-Nighter Long-Lasting Makeup Setting Spray. It says it is up to 16-hour, lightweight, temperature control, la la la. And I got the mini one because I wanted to buy a second one, so I can try like a different setting sprays, and if I like this, I'm gonna buy the jumbo one, which is like super big. This mini version is perfect for on the go. I think it's very nice. I'm gonna be having this in my purse, in my gym bag, anywhere. Like, this is so small, it's gonna go everywhere with you. And it is $20 for this little packaging. I do think that it's cute. I like the purple, dark, sultry type of vibe of Urban Decay. It's very nice. I really love the fact that there's like 2 covers, because most of the time you lose one. So the fact that there's this one and this one to make it look like the big version of Urban Decay, I think it's a very nice touch, even for the mini version. So the Urban Decay is 30 milliliters, so 1 fluid ounces for $20. All right, so next setting spray. It is an all-time favorite for a long time of many makeup artists. It is the MAC Prep Plus Prime, and believe me or not, I never tried their setting spray. When I say that, I never tried it, and I decided to get the Prep and Prime Fix Plus Lavender, because I was like, okay, I want a little smell. I want the bottle to be cute and purple, so that's what I got. The Fix Plus Lavender. Yeah, so I'm excited to try this. I think the packaging is very cute. There's like, it's black with a little bit of glitter on the packaging, and I wanted lavender because I wanted to like, the smell of lavender is so refreshing. It's so calming in every single way. I think there's a rose smell, and then the other one is the original smell, but this lavender smell must be so good. And never tried it. So this retails for $33, and it is 3.4 fluid ounces, so it is 100 milliliters in total. It looks pretty good. So let's go on to the next product. I have other products which are amazing. You're gonna see. So this was on sale, and I was like, oh my god, this product, I never tried anything. I have like 2 blushes. So this is a blush and highlight palette. It was on sale for literally 50% off. So I was like, I need to buy it. And I know that Natasha Denona has good products. So this product, I was like, okay, I need to try it. And for $58, it was how much? Just a sec. It's $58, 50 Canadian, and usually it's like 118. Yeah, something like that. It was like super expensive, and I was like, okay, I need to literally buy this and try it because there's like 6 products in it, and for the price, it's 6 times 7 grams, so 6 times 0.25 ounces of product. And this palette, I thought it would be super light. This palette is heavy. So let's check the packaging and open the box up because I'm excited to see what it looks inside. I mean, this is my first face palette, which, can you believe it? I'm so excited to try this. Natasha Denona, I might never go back. Hope. If it's too high quality, how am I supposed to find other products that are good? Oh my god. Anyways, I'm gonna be doing a whole review on this. Don't worry about it. I have to talk to you about the different techniques. I'm gonna be trying it out. Different techniques to apply the products, because those are different products, cream and powder products. So let's check it out. Oh my god, this palette is huge. I love that inside the packaging is red. It gives a nice touch, and the color is Daria. So 01 Daria. So this one is very cute. There was 2 different ones. I decided to only get one of them. And this mirror is crazy. I don't know if you can see it. Look how crazy it is. You can literally see my face in it. Hi. Oh my god. Oh my god. And there's a protector to protect it. There's no smell. And these highlighters, there's a diamond powder, glow extreme powder blush, the glow here, which is kind of purplish. It's like a kind of purple, pink, and gold highlighter. There's the cream blush and the diamond cream, glow cream base. So you put that, I guess, under, and then you put the diamond powder on top. Oh my god. This palette, look at my face next to it. This is bigger than my face, and it's heavy. So you have to be careful with this because you don't want to break it, obviously, for the price. I mean, $58. $58. Oh my god, but you have 6 products, so it's like you paid $10 a product. So it's definitely worth it. Let's put it back in its packaging because I don't want to break it. I really love to keep the packaging and putting back my stuff in the packaging. So that's like an obsession of mine. And sometimes I do have to calm down because you imagine like there's boxes hanging out everywhere. All right, so the last paid product that I have is, oh my god, it is the Fenty Beauty Glossy Pussy by Rihanna. Oh my god, I was so excited to try her glosses. They look absolutely amazing, and I needed glosses because the only one that I have is the one from NYX, and it tingles, and it's not that pretty. It's sticky and everything, so I mean, for the price, it's very good, but I do needed to have this in my life, which this is amazing. It is $56, and you have 5 different lip glosses, which 5 different lip glosses with different finishes, different colors, and I'm excited to try this, honestly. Oh my god. So I'm gonna show you. It is Addictive Shine, Nourishing Wear, and Universal Finishing Touch, featuring the best-selling Fussy plus 4 brand new shades. You can just wear it on its own, you know. And apparently this is the best-selling lip gloss. Like, literally everybody loves it, and that's why I bought it, because I wanted to try a different shade. I was like, okay, so one lip gloss is $25 Canadian, and this is $56. So I can buy 2 lip glosses, or I can buy this, have a cute packaging, and have 5. So to me it made sense. So each of them have 5.5 milliliters, which is 0.18 fluid ounces. So 5 times this. And I will show you the packaging. It's so pretty. This was like the collection, like the holiday collection, but still, I was like, I still need this even though it's for holiday, because this will highlight my life. It will highlight my lips. I look kind of bare right now with only matte, because I loved matte for the longest of time, and now I decided that I want to jump into the gloss world, which I think you can't go back when you jump into that world, because you need the glitter, you need the plump, you need everything. So of course I'm gonna have a review. I'm gonna have like lip swatches and everything coming into the other videos, so be excited for this. I will love this, maybe. Hopefully, but yes. Oh my god, I love with the light, the reflection. I love all the glitters in them. They are so pretty, and the colors, they look absolutely amazing. I really love like the clear one, which has kind of like blue, purplish, golden glitters, and the best selling shade, which is, try this with fake nails, Fussy. Come out. And it gets dirty pretty quickly. They are stuck in there. Like, if you want them to come out, you can't be having fake nails all the time. This is not gonna work. And the packaging, I guess you can just remove the thing and put stuff in it and just keep it. It's a nice little box. I like the touch of it. And the swatches and everything will be for the review. I'm not gonna touch it, not gonna open it. I didn't touch any product, didn't open any product. This will be specifically for the reviews, because I really want those first impressions first impressions of them. So, and then I have 2 other samples, which I ordered 2 foundation. There's only one that came, and they replaced it with something else. Maybe they didn't have it anymore. So the first sample that I have is the Bobbi Brown Perfect Skin Coverage Meets All Day Wear. So it's just basically a foundation with different colors here. You can try the different foundations. At the back, they show you all the different shades that they have as well. So this, I guess I'm going to be trying it out. Bobbi Brown usually has great products. So I'm probably going to be the first shade, honestly, because it's super, super pale, A78. But it's very nice. I'm excited to try this. Maybe this will be like my new foundation or something. We will see what happens. And I had another foundation. I don't remember what's the name of it. I've got no idea, honestly. So instead, they put the Tom Ford lipstick, which there wasn't any of these samples when I was online. So I do think that it's nice because I want to try out these. I like that they put a little lip brush to go with the little shades. I think my favorite one so far is the Indian Rose, which is 04, and it's gonna be so good with my skin tone. I don't exactly know how expensive it is, so let me just open it up to see what it looks like. The ingredients are in the back, and of course the lip brush, I'm gonna be keeping it because why not? I have another brush to add to my collection. These 3 shades: Indian Rose, True Coral, and Scarlet Rouge, which the Scarlet Rouge is really pretty. It kind of looks like it's deeper than what I have right now on my lips. Ooh, it's the perfect accessory for you. So that's everything that I bought. That's what it is. So it came to a total of $264 with taxes, which our taxes are crazy here since I live in a place where it is 15% taxes. So I mean 15% of that money is taxes. You imagine, like, that's $34 of taxes. Why do you need that much money? Government, why do you need that much money? This is crazy. I cannot. This is like something else. You can't be doing that. Oh my god. Yeah, so this is what I bought. I'm really excited to try all of these. I'm gonna be doing reviews and stuff, battles of different stuff. So if you want a review first in particular, tell me down below. Tell me if you bought anything recently, if you're gonna do a Sephora haul, a Ulta haul, or anything haul. Tell me down in the comments down below as well. I really want to know. So I really hope that you will enjoy this video and that all the products, you're as excited as me to try them. So thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment down below, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to see all those awesome videos. So I post 5 videos a week, Monday through Friday. And if you don't want to miss any video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified every time that I post a video. So I really love you, beauties, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, beauties.